Amah na ngai hang, aman na ngai lo pi. Hello Zolai learners, I'm Tang and today let's learn. Alright, okay, so the first word that you will learn is Amah. Amah can be a pronoun for a male and female. He, she, his, her. Okay, so let's see the example sentence for this word. The first example sentence will be Amah na ngai hang, aman na ngai lo pi. Amah na ngai hang, aman na ngai lo pi, which means even though you love him, he doesn't love you back. Even though you love her, she doesn't love you back. Okay, so in these sentences, I hope you will see the word Amah, and I believe that you will understand the meaning of the word. Okay, so now let's see the next example sentence for the word Amah. Amah lian no hin, ko pi panong pai he. Amah lian no hin, ko pi panong pai he, which means she is Lian Nu and she is from Calais. Okay. Alright, so here Amah means she. Alright.